It is raining heavily today. It is raining heavily today. The sky is very dark now. The sky is very dark now. Oh no, there is thunder! Oh no, there is thunder! I am afraid of thunder. I am afraid of thunder. The wind is blowing strongly. The wind is blowing strongly. My clothes are getting wet. My clothes are getting wet. Thank God, the thunder is less now. Thank God, the thunder is less now. The rain is still falling. The rain is still falling. I see a girl on the road. I see a girl on the road. Hello, girl, please wait. Hello, girl, please wait. What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Amelia. My name is Amelia.
That is a beautiful name. That is a beautiful name. Where are you going? Where are you going?
I am just walking here. I am just walking here.
Are you not afraid of thunder? Are you not afraid of thunder?
No, I am not afraid. No, I am not afraid.
Are you not afraid of the rain? Are you not afraid of the rain?
No, I enjoy it. No, I enjoy it.
Do you live nearby? Do you live nearby?
Yes, my house is near. Yes, my house is near.
Do you have parents?
Yeah.
Do you have parents?
Yes, they are at home now. Yes, they are at home now.
Why are you outside? Why are you outside?
I love walking in the rain. I love walking in the rain. The rain makes me happy. The rain makes me happy. I like the cool weather. I like the cool weather. Are you feeling cold? Are you feeling cold?
No, I feel fine. No, I feel fine. Please be careful on the road.
No.
Please be careful on the road. The road is very slippery. The road is very slippery. Hold my hand if you want. Hold my hand if you want. Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love chocolate. Yes, I love chocolate.
Which chocolate do you want? Which chocolate do you want?
I like the small one. I like the small one.
Please give me this chocolate. Please give me this chocolate. Here is your chocolate. Here is your chocolate. You should not walk alone. You should not walk alone. Suddenly, my phone is ringing. Suddenly, my phone is ringing. It is my wife calling me. It is my wife calling me. Hello, my dear wife. Hello, my dear wife.
Where are you now? Where are you now?
I am outside in the rain. I am outside in the rain. I met a little girl here. I met a little girl here. She was alone on the road. She was alone on the road. Goodbye for now. Goodbye for now. I will come home soon. I will come home soon. The call has ended. The call has ended. The sky is getting clear. The sky is getting clear. My wife is waiting for me. My wife is waiting for me. I am going back home. I am going back home.